We are starting it again.
Okay, so welcome friends. मेरा नाम चित्रेश सोनी है, मैं पेवना ग्रुप का co-founder हूँ और आज हमारे साथ एक very beautiful mother परसिस जी हैं और it's very unique and wonderful name. I had even heard first time in life. So परसिस मैडम, मैं आपसे सबसे पहले तो जानना चाहूँगा आपके नाम के बारे में और आप अपना इंट्रोडक्शन हमारे सारे पार्टिसिपेट को दीजिए.
Okay, hi everyone. I'm Persis Vacha from Mumbai. My passion is for cooking. I love cooking and it has come through my mother who was a wonderful cook. And so I have taken all these things from my mother, very proud of her. And my people, my home, my children, everybody loves my food. So that's more enterprising for me that yes, I should keep on doing something new and good for them.
Okay, great.
And thanks to Fabina, I'm very much interested because I got this opportunity to come into this live.
Okay, great. One more question I had asked, ma'am. Your story about the name Persis. It's beautiful name.
Yes. Actually, when I was born, my parents had already thought that if there is a girl, we'll keep her name Persis because at that time, Persis Kambata was a model and she was a winner at that time. And fortunately, I was born and I was a girl. So the name I got it from that model, Persis Kambata, and now I'm Persis Vacha.
Okay,
so
great.
That's how I got my name from the famous model.
Okay, great, great. Beautiful name, ma'am, and beautiful thought process. One thing I wanted to know, madam, have you received your kit, participation kit?
Yes, I have received my kit. Very exciting, very nice. It's really amazing. I must say, I was very thrilled when I saw the apron. I immediately opened the box. I wore the apron and I asked my daughter to click my photo.
Great, great, great. And have you tasted the snacks? A gift snacks
Yes,
which we have
I have
seen?
tasted 2 or 3 of them and they are really wonderful. One is the Bhujia Sev. I just love Bhujia Sev. So this was the first thing I opened and I ate. And the second was this Masaledar Panchratna. It's a mixture of khatta meetha, very tasty. I will surely recommend to my friends also. Really very, very good. Excellent.
Okay, great, great, great. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for appreciation. One thing more I wanted to know, ma'am. We are providing web page to all of our participants. So how you are going to utilize that web page?
Whatever I cook, I'm going to put that on my web page with the recipes, and I will be open for every question or queries people would want to know. So that is a plus point for me. Very thankful to Fabina for the web page for each and every participant I heard.
Okay, great, great, ma'am. One more question I wanted to ask you, ma'am.
Yes.
If you will win 1 lakh rupees, so what you are going, how you will invest that money?
I've already thought about it and I'm sharing this with you. You are the first person to know. I'm going to renovate my kitchen. Because as I told you, the best place in my house is my kitchen. I love cooking. So I love my kitchen and I'm going to make it really furnish it and do good. I'm sure by in 1 lakh I can do that much.
Great, great, great. Means you are going to make the place where you spend most of the time, you are going to make that place in next level.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very true.
Okay, great, great. Persis, madam, one more thing I wanted to know. In the lockdown period, many people, many citizens of India, we all are in very tense position. So what is your view, how you had utilized your time period of lockdown and what new things you had done in that time?
Firstly, I would tell each and everybody not to get depressed or anything. You have to be very positive so that goes a long way. And this in this lockdown period, I have experienced new recipes from the Facebook and all that. And with my innovations, I have created it. And that's how the lockdown period is going on. Actually, to be honest, I don't feel there is anything wrong with it if you're positive. So the positive attitude is a must.
Okay, great. Nice thoughts, ma'am. Nice thoughts, ma'am. So one more thing, ma'am, I wanted to ask you.
Yeah.
One more thing I wanted to ask you, ma'am. See, there are many youth. There are many youth in India who are willing to make their career in cooking, but they are not taking action due to many reasons that their parents not allowing them, or they think that cooking is not a big there is not a big opportunity in career as a chef or as a food industry. So what is your view? How you wanted to give the message to the youngsters about this particular cooking industries?
Yeah, surely. I would like to say the youngsters that what they want to do, they have to. If they want to do something about it, they want to go into this career, they should do it with their full heart. You know, they should put in their heart for this, whether yes or whether no. But if you have a passion for something, go follow it. And when there is opportunity, you have to grab it, because opportunity comes just once in life. And if you leave that opportunity, I don't think it will come back. So I would tell all the youth of today that yes, please follow your dreams.
ओके ग्रेट, बहुत अच्छी बात बोली मैडम आपने, बहुत अच्छी बातें बोली हमारे यंगस्टर्स के लिए। आप सभी को मैं बताना चाहूंगा कि जैसे परसिस मैडम ने एक डिसीजन लिया, जैसे मैडम ने बोला कि अपॉर्चुनिटी बार बार नहीं आती है लाइफ में, जब भी आपको अपॉर्चुनिटी मिले तो आप अपॉर्चुनिटी को ग्रैब करिए। सो मैं सारे लोगों से बोलना चाहता हूँ 30th जून इज द लास्ट डेट फॉर रजिस्ट्रेशन। यदि आप अभी भी इस कॉम्पिटिशन में पार्टिसिपेट करना चाहते हैं, सो यू आर हैविंग चांस बिफोर 30th जून। जस्ट गो ऑन, रजिस्टर योर, fill the form, register and get a chance to win money also, and get a chance to be present on social media, get a chance to come from offline to online that all the women had done. So thank you very much madam, आपने हमारे लिए समय निकाला, आपने पार्टिसिपेट किया, और ये कुकिंग कंपटीशन करने का मैं विजन मिशन आपको बताना चाहूंगा, क्योंकि आप एक मदर हैं। सो मैं आपके साथ शेयर जरूर करना चाहूंगा। हमारा मोटो है कि इस देश की सारी महिलाओं के चेहरे पे खुशी आए। आप देखिए घर में सबके लिए पार्सल आते हैं, पर बहुत कम होता है कि माँ के लिए कोई पार्सल आए। तो जब माँ के पास पार्सल आता है तो शी इज हैविंग अ ग्रेट फीलिंग। सो वी वांटेड टू गिव मोर एंड मोर हैप्पीनेस टू आवर मदर्स।
Thank you so much, Chitresh. It's really wonderful to have a word with you. And as you say, yes, it was a great thing when I received a parcel and my daughter said, such a big parcel. I said, yes, that's for your mother.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. And so nice of you, ma'am. आपने बहुत अच्छा डिस्कशन किया और हमारे साथ पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, फेबना के साथ बने रहने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
Thank you. My pleasure. Thank you so much.
और सारे व्यूअर्स को एक बात फिर से बताना चाहता हूँ, इस कंपटीशन के जो जज हैं वो आप हैं। जो सारे लोग वीडियोस देख रहे हैं, आप ही फैसला करेंगे किसको जिताना है और किसको आगे लेके जाना है। सो मैं सबसे अपील करूंगा, जैसे ही मैडम की वीडियो पब्लिश होती है, आपको वो डिश अच्छी लगती है तो उस डिश को अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए और ज्यादा से ज्यादा व्यूअरशिप दीजिए। जिसके सबसे ज्यादा व्यू होंगे वही हमारे विनिंग पार्ट 5 में आएंगे। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच ऑडियंस, आप सबके सपोर्ट से ही इस कंपटीशन को हम बड़े लेवल पे लेके जा पाएंगे। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू।